Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being dragon. Now you might be wondering what is cooler than a dragon. If your answer was nothing, then you are correct. So coming into this piece, I wanted to make a dragon that slightly resembled Shenron from Dragon Ball Z in a way, a very large snake-like dragon. I thought it would be really cool and it seemed pretty fitting for the materials that we're using this month. I focused on really trying to make the dragon feel like it was sweeping and floating through the air. I didn't want to make any background or anything to give it the feel that the dragon was in the air. I think in the end I pulled that off pretty well and I really loved the way that the dragon looked. I've said this before and I really love working with these inks. It's such a freeing material. But I am going to be quiet. I'm going to let you guys enjoy this. I will see all of you guys at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word dragon. Now I think this turned out really cool, but you're going to have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're going to be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with your notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!